Hello, I'm Andrew Gibson, the head developer at Jelly Pie Software. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about 3D Boxshot version 3, show you some new features in the product, and tell you just a little bit about our beta program. Now, 3D Boxshot started life as a very simple virtual packaging design tool designed to create static images of software boxes, but gradually, over the years, the program has evolved into a video animation suite that's capable of creating keyframe video animations of your products, complete with 3D text effects that can easily carry your marketing message in a vibrant and dynamic way. Now, we've been working on the program for several months and it's just about ready for the beta phase. So let's open up the program and take a look at some of the great new features that you can see in 3D Boxshot version 3. Now, one of the big additions in 3D Boxshot version 3 is the completely remodeled interface. We've now got a selection area of the interface that lets you visually select the type of boxes or templates you'd like to create. We've got things like mugs. We can do screenshots, we can do photo cubes, we can do boxes with CDs. This is a really nice new addition. Now, one of the things we've been asked for on many occasions is the inclusion of reflections and shadows to the program. Now, this is one of the things we've added. Let's take a look at reflections to begin with. Now, you can basically increase the opacity or decrease the opacity of the reflection. You can turn it on and turn it off. The same really goes for shadows. This is a new addition as well. You can see the shadow behind the box there. Let's perhaps have a little closer look at it. There we go. We can make it smaller and we can make it bigger. Move our magnifying glass out of the way. Now, probably the single biggest addition to the program is the inclusion of 3D text. Now, this is real 3D text. You can do multiple lines of 3D text. Whoops, mind my spelling there. Now, this can be fully manipulated in real time. We've got a variety of different styles we can apply to the text. I'll just change the background colour there so that I can show you the glass style text. You can apply textures to the text. I'll just load in a different texture so we can see the texturing of the text. Now, the text routine, it uses TrueType fonts, so you can essentially use any TrueType font installed on your system. Let's pick a nice one there. There we go. So that's a change to the font type. Now, perhaps the biggest addition in terms of the animation facilities of the program is now that the text has its own separate timeline, so you can easily create keyframed animations of the text. I'm going to give you a quick example now. So what I'll do, I'll add a keyframe here, drag the timeline to about halfway, and rotate the text through 360 degrees. So there we go, we've got a quick rotation animation of the text. What I'll do now is pan the text out and move it down and across the screen. Add a keyframe, and there we've got a short text animation sequence which we've created in just a matter of seconds. Now, as I was saying, the box controls are completely separate from the text controls. They're on a separate tab with a separate timeline. So if, for example, I add a key here, we'll see that the box timeline actually follows the text timeline. What's happening there? Right. So that I can add another key here, pan the box out, rotate it around and add a key. So we've now got two separate keyframe sequences working together, which I'm sure you'll agree was very simple to create. Now, we do supply a whole range of presets with the program which you can select from this menu. Now, if I load one of these in now, these are all can all be customized in the sense you can load your own box cover templates into any of these preset sequences and use them for your own box animations. So there we go. There's a quick showcase of 3D Boxshot version 3 in operation. Now obviously we want you to buy the program now, not wait until version 3 is released. If you purchase the current version today, you'll receive a full version beta once the beta program starts. Now that means it won't have any watermarks or restrictions, maybe just a few bugs. Now when the full version is released, you'll be able to upgrade completely free of charge. Having said this, we do want to encourage as many people as possible to take part in the beta program. So even if you don't want to purchase the current version of 3D Boxshot, you can still join the beta program. The only difference is that the restricted beta will generate watermarked output, a bit like this here. Well, that's about it from me. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and don't forget to drop us a line if you'd like to join the beta program. So,